Presenting the SKF Truck Hub unit. The new hub unit is the best in its class with its low weight, sealing technology, and extended warranty. Designed for a long life, its outer ring is made of high-quality steel, optimized and lightweight. By preventing mud entry, the mud seal provides a clean environment with high-quality materials, retaining grease with 2 dirt barriers. The cage is lightweight and it's designed for higher performance. The rolling elements are designed to accommodate axial and radial loads. They are made of the highest quality steel and helps to prevent premature bearing failure. The sealing sleeve is used to keep the outer rings together during transport. The clip ring maintains inner rings in position during transport and prevents seal distortion. The dust seal provides a clean operating environment as it keeps grease in and debris out. The last part of the truck hub unit is the inner ring. It has special grade lightweight steel and it's designed for a long life.